welcome to Tech Leveler, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to change the default Notes account on your iPhone. You may have it set up to save directly on your iPhone or to an email for instance, and I'm going to show you how to change it. First you're going to head over to the iPhone settings. So now we're in the main iPhone settings. What you want to do is you want to scroll all the way down until you get to the Notes section here, and then we want to tab into that. And now we're in the Notes section. You can see here default account, and mine's currently set to the iCloud, so we can tab into that. Now when you see your default account section here, if you have different emails or different accounts on your iPhone, these will all be listed here, and then you'll be able to select which one you want your notes to be saved to. Then the notes will be physically saved to what you've chosen, not directly on the iCloud. So that's how you change the default Notes account on your iPhone, and don't forget you can always come back here and change it back to the iCloud if that's where you want to save them to. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.